The cryptocurrency market is still very small compared to traditional finance assets, and only approximately 7% of the world own crypto, which presents us early investors with huge opportunities. While investing in crypto has its similarities to investing in stocks, it is a different world you're about to enter. Fortunately, getting started is easier than it seems, and in this guide, we'll break down the process, highlight key cryptocurrencies, discuss risk management, and among other important things, we will show you how to set up a secure crypto wallet. So what are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that can function as a store of value or serve various utility purposes on blockchain networks. Bitcoin, for example, has a limited supply, making it resistant to inflation. In contrast, fiat currencies have unlimited supply, often leading to devaluation over time. Bitcoin's launch in 2009 revolutionized the financial sector, setting the stage for further innovations. Ethereum expanded on Bitcoin's foundation by introducing smart contracts, self-executing programs that enable decentralized applications such as lending platforms, decentralized finance solutions, and so on. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies have emerged, though not all will survive. Careful selection is crucial when building your investment portfolio. Alright, now let's get into details of how you can get started. Step number 1, choose your cryptocurrencies. Start by selecting cryptos that align with your risk tolerance. Blue chip assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum offer stability, while emerging projects may present higher growth potential. They come with increased risk. Conduct thorough research before buying anything. Use websites like CoinMarketCap, CryptoRank, and CoinGecko to view the details of each coin, and feel free to watch our previous videos to learn about many interesting projects we are personally holding. I actually have a great real-world example for you guys. As recently my mother asked me to help her get into crypto, she only wanted to invest $50 to start. So here's how I structured her portfolio. $20 into Bitcoin, $10 in Solana, $10 in Sui, and $10 in Sonic. But of course, everyone's situation is different, but that would be a good way to structure your starting portfolio. However, I would still advise you to do some of your own research. For example, I have been in a crypto industry for a long time, and I like to think that I know a lot about crypto. I hold more than 40 different coins in my personal portfolio. Step number 2, pick a reliable crypto exchange. Our personal favorite is MEXC. It has the lowest fees out of all the biggest established and secure crypto exchanges. They don't require you to do KYC, send bank statements, nor your eating schedule. Another key factor is that they offer a very wide range of cryptocurrencies, and all three of those factors make MEXC much better than most famous exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, in my opinion. We will leave a link in the description for you to sign up to MEXC, and by using it, you'll be eligible to receive up to $20,000 in bonuses. Step number 3, how to set up your account and secure your wallet. Alright, now I'll show you how to set up your MEXC account. Whenever you're going to get to this website, this screen will pop up. All you have to do is click on your top right corner, sign up. It'll give you two different options. Either you can use your email address or your mobile phone number. I personally used email, so you'll have to put in your email address and create a password. Also, be sure to use our referral code 2VQRS. After you're done that, just click sign up and you'll claim $20 in your bonuses. It is going to send you a verification code to your email, so make sure you have access to the email you selected. And here you have it, you have successfully created an account. Once you have created your account, I'll show you how to quickly deposit your cryptocurrencies. All you have to do here is click to your wallet. It's going to give you the option deposit. So you have a couple of different options how to deposit your crypto. So if you have other wallets, you can press right here. If not, there are some other options, like you can simply buy crypto by using your Visa, MasterCard, or even your PayPal account. That would probably be the easiest and fastest way. If not, you can also deposit fiat currencies, or you can buy crypto by using P2P trading. For this example, I'll quickly go over how to deposit crypto from a different wallet. For this example, I'll go over using USDC coin. You select that crypto as the USDC. You're going to go to your network and select Arbitrum. Confirm this. This is going to be your address. You'll take this address and paste it in your other crypto wallet. I will be using my Trust Wallet for this example. So you're going to open your Trust Wallet app, press send, select USDC Arbitrum. You paste your address in there and select the amount you want to send. You'll simply press confirm and then wait a couple of seconds for the transaction to process, and you'll see that balance in your MEXC account. And there you have it. The balance is successfully transferred and you have your funds in your account. Step number 4, set up your investment strategy. There are many different strategies on how to trade crypto, when to buy it and when to sell it, and you need to find that one that suits you the best. Some well-tested ones include, number 1, dollar cost averaging, meaning you buy a certain amount that you are comfortable with every day, every week, every month, or every quarter, no matter the price, and you hold it for a long time. This keeps you safe against volatility and is deemed by many great minds as the way to go for retail investors who don't want to learn the specifics of how the market works. Number 2, following the M2 money supply. The price of Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrencies always lags around 3.5 months behind the total circulating money supply in the world, meaning if you see the M2 going up, consider buying. If you see it going down for a while, consider selling. Number 3, the fear greed index. The best investors know you have to buy when everyone is scared and thinks it's all bad, and you have to sell when everyone is happy and thinks that they're going to be rich forever. There are many sites online that shows this index for crypto markets. It's also important to know that short-term trading is like gambling and 99% of you will lose money like that. Long-term is where the big money gets made if you choose your investments wisely. Another important thing to mention is that you should stay up to date with all the latest news, and for that I would like to give our channel a shout out because we post daily shorts with all the latest news in the world of crypto, meaning you don't have to worry about tracking all the different websites and X accounts just to know what's happening. And remember, not all cryptocurrencies succeed. Focus on well-established projects with real utility. Or if you are into meme coins, make sure to find the ones with strong communities that have stayed strong during large price breakdowns. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Investing without research. Always understand the technology team and roadmap behind a project. FOMO buying. Avoid panic purchases driven by hype. Panic selling. Volatility is normal. Set clear investment goals to prevent emotional decisions. Ignoring security. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be very rewarding, but it requires careful planning and risk management. Start with well-established assets, use a secure exchange, and store your holdings safely. Regularly review your portfolio and remain informed about market developments. By following these principles, you'll be well equipped to navigate the dynamic world of crypto investments. To finish off, here are some answers to some frequently asked questions. What is the best crypto for beginners? Bitcoin and the top 10 to top 50 cryptocurrencies are probably where you should start your research until you learn more. How much should I invest in crypto? Invest only what you can afford to lose. A good starting point is a small percentage of your portfolio using DCA strategy. Should I trade derivatives or spot? At the start, I would strongly recommend trading spot, as trading with leverage is much riskier. And there you go, you're all ready to start. Just one more thing, read the Bitcoin white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto and share this video with a friend who needs to jump into crypto with you. Because in the world of crypto, information is power. So put your heads together and don't accept anything but success. Be patient and embrace the opportunity. See you in the next one. Peace.